Indicate chute support.
The navigation has confirmed that the parachute has deployed and we are seeing significant deceleration.
Sudaralun, Badan Antariksa Amerika Serikat merilis video robot eksplorasi mendarat di planet Mars Selasa 23 Februari 2021.
Heat shield set.
Robot eksplorasi mendarat di kawah Jezero di utara ekuator Mars, tepatnya di wilayah yang disebut Isidis Platinitia. Robot ini adalah robot terbesar NASA. Kali ini, misinya mencari air dan tanda-tanda kehidupan di bawah permukaan Mars. Robot ini juga bertugas mengumpulkan sampel batu serta tanah dan menempatkannya di dalam penyimpanan khusus untuk diteliti lebih lanjut.
Nav filter converged. Velocity solution 3.3 meters per second. Altitude 7.4 kilometers.
Now has radar lock on the ground. Current velocity is about 100 meters per second, 6.6 kilometers above the surface of Mars. The President is continuing to descend on the parachute. We are coming upon the initialization of terrain relative navigation and subsequently the timing of the landing engines. Our current velocity is about 90 meters per second at an altitude of 4.2 kilometers.
OVS valid.
We have confirmation that the lander vision system has produced a valid solution and part of terrain relative navigation.
Timing. CVA is nominal.
We have timing of the landing engines.
Back shell set.
Current velocity is 83 meters per second at about 2.6 kilometers from the surface of Mars. We have confirmation that the back shell has separated. We are currently performing the divert maneuver. Current velocity is about 75 meters per second at an altitude of about a kilometer off the surface of Mars.
TRN safety Bravo.
We have completed our terrain relative navigation. Current speed is about 30 meters per second, altitude of about 300 meters off the surface of Mars. We have started our constant velocity accordion, which means we are conducting the sky crane, about to conduct the sky crane maneuver. Sky crane maneuver has started, about 20 meters off the surface.
We're getting signals from MRO.
Tango Delta.
Touchdown confirmed. Perseverance safely on the surface of Mars, ready to begin seeking the sands of past life.